here we are again. We're going to practice some more letters that start in the same way as the letter C, the lowercase letter C. So today, say it with me, we're going to practice D, G and Q. Oh, a question for you. What letter always follows Q? Have a think. So, to start, we're going to do some handwriting. Now, think about how you start for your letter C. It's exactly the same as it is for your letter D. Starting on the line with your leading, all the way up to 2 o'clock, back to 10 o'clock, all the way around like a C, going into an A and up, and down and flick. Did you notice that I went up the same height again as I had gone for the A? So it's double the length of the letter. That's half the height, that's the full height. Let's try it again. Starting with your leading on the line. Must make sure I don't go off the screen. All the way up to C, 2 o'clock, going back round, 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 C to A. Keep on going, twice the height, down and flick. Let's try one more time. Starting on the line, all the way to 2 o'clock, back to 10 o'clock. Keep on going, C, A, D. And flick. Now let's have a go on the board. Starting where we started for all the others on the line, leading in, round to 2 o'clock, back to 10 o'clock, hey, up, down and flick. Oh, I can do better than that one. Let's try again. Starting with the leading on the line, all the way around to 2 o'clock. Back to 10 o'clock, keep on going, twice the height, down and flick. I need to keep practicing. I'm going to try to do a really good one now. Starting with my leading on the line, all the way around to 2 o'clock, back to 10 o'clock, round, looks like a C, looks like an A, up to make it a D, and flick. I think the third one was the best one. Right, now let's try our next letter. Looks quite complicated, but it isn't because it starts in the same way as the ones we've been practicing. Our lowercase g. Starting with the leading on the line, all the way to 2 o'clock, back to 10 o'clock. It's looking like an A, coming back down below the line, and then our loop to join to the next letter. Oh, it's quite a tough one because there are so many components of this letter. Let's try again with our magic finger. Starting with the leading on the line, all the way to 2 o'clock, back to 10 o'clock. Keep on going, it's looking like a C, an A. Oh, up there and back down below the line, and a loop. That's a descender, it goes below the line. That's an ascender, it goes right up above. Let's try one more lowercase g. Starting with our leading on the line, all the way to 2 o'clock, back to 10 o'clock. Keep on going, up, down, 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 below the line, loop, and off we go. Let's try it on the board. I hope I can do a better job than I did with my D's. Starting in the same place. Leading on the line, up to 2 o'clock, back to 10 o'clock, all the way up to make an A, back down, keep on going, below the line, and a G. I've made a really big loop. You don't need to make a loop as big as that. I'm going to try to make a smaller one next time. Starting with the leading, all the way to 2 o'clock, back to 10 o'clock. Keep on going, it looks like an A, down below. Now it looks like a G. Oh, I think that one's a little bit better. And we'll try one more time. Starting on the line with my lead in all the way to 2 o'clock, back to 10 o'clock, looking like an A, back down below the line and loop it round, ready to join. Oh, I haven't left much space for my next letter, which is a lowercase q, and it starts in the same way. Can you see? Starting with your lead in, round to 2 o'clock, back to 10 o'clock, keep on going, looks like an A, go down below the line and a flick. Quite like saying flick, so let's try it again, starting in the same place, all the way to 2 o'clock, back to 10 o'clock, keep on going, it looks like an A, but it's going down below the line and a flick, ready to join to the U. Did you remember that last time? Starting on the line, all the way to 2 o'clock, back to 10 o'clock. Keep on going, round and round, up we go, and down we go, and flick. I'm going to space them in between my G's. Right, are you ready? Starting where each of these letters have started, with our lead in all the way around to 2 o'clock, back to 10 o'clock, keep on going, looks like an A, back down below the line and flick. Oh, I like that flick. I'll do a better flick next time. Starting with our lead in all the way around to 2 o'clock, back to 10 o'clock, keep on going, looks like an A, down below and flick. Ready to join to my Q. U! And last one, let's pop it over here. Starting with the lead in, round to 2 o'clock, back to 10 o'clock, keep on going, looks like an A, down, flick. Thank you very much, keep on practicing.